Not sure how to use your Hisense AC remote? Model number dg11r2-01. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The red on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Temperature plus or minus buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press temperature plus to raise the temperature, or temperature minus to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The super button activates turbo mode for rapid cooling or heating. Press it to run the AC at maximum fan speed and power, bringing the room to your set temperature as quickly as possible. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Great for scheduling the AC to start before you wake up or return home. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off. Perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Press the smart button to activate auto mode. The AC will automatically adjust the mode, temperature, and fan speed based on the room conditions. Press the button once to activate dimmer mode. This turns off the LED display on the indoor unit, making it ideal for dark rooms or nighttime comfort. Press and hold the button to set the clock on the remote. Once in clock setting mode, use the temperature, up, down buttons to adjust the time. Press the button again to confirm the setting. Press the button once to activate economy mode. This reduces energy consumption by maintaining a stable, efficient temperature, helping you save power without sacrificing comfort. Press and hold the button to activate I Feel mode. The remote control will act as a temperature sensor, allowing the AC to adjust based on the temperature near you, not just near the indoor unit. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.